students A and B. Marks of students A and B. And similarly, scale is scale y-axis. Scale y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. 10 units and index same as it is. So the first one Kannada, right? And next one the reverse crossing is English. And next one is circle is statistics. Next one economics. And next one is business. And last one is accountancy. Right. So this is what percentage bar diagram. Right. So the similar procedure of subdivided bar diagram. The one more step you have to convert individual value into percentage. Right. After percentage, one more step is LCF values. For LCF values, we can construct the percentage bar diagram. That's it. Very simple. So this is what student A. This one knows student A. This one is for student B. I think all of you understood. Right. We go for next one. So the entire procedure is what? Percentage bar diagram. So next we go for the another type. The next we go for another type of diagram, two-dimensional diagrams. In types of diagrams, the first type is one-dimensional diagram. The second one is two-dimensional diagram. Third one is three-dimensional diagram, and last one is pictograms and cartograms. Right now, the one-dimensional diagrams is completed. In one dimensional, first one is simple bar diagram. Second one is multiple bar diagram. Third one is component or subdivided bar diagram, and last one is percentage bar diagram. Right. So next, the second type of diagram means two-dimensional diagrams. Two-dimensional diagrams. Two-dimensional diagrams. Two-dimensional diagram is what? So the diagrams based on two-dimensional, that is called as two-dimensional diagrams. Here in two-dimensional diagram, we can consider height as height or length along with width we can consider. So we can consider both here height as well as width, that is called as two-dimensional diagrams. Okay, width along with the height or length, that is called as two-dimensional diagrams. This two-dimensional diagrams is also called as area diagrams. Area diagrams. Okay, for example, squares, rectangles, pie charts, etc. So these are the examples of two-dimensional diagrams: squares, rectangles, pie charts, etc. That are all is called as two-dimensional diagrams. So according to your syllabus, we discuss only pie chart or pie diagram. Okay. Now we will discuss one example in pie diagram. Now we will discuss phi diagram. Phi diagram or pie chart. Pie chart are also circular diagram. Circular diagram. Circular diagram. Here also the similar procedure of percentage bar diagram. In percentage bar diagram, the bar can be divided into different segments. But in pie chart, the circle will be divided into different sectors. Different sectors, that is called as what? Pie diagram. The circle divided into different sectors, that is called as what? Pie diagram. Right. So here also same as it is a percentage bar diagram, the individual values can be converted into the individual values can be converted into the individual values, the individual the individual component can be converted into angles, can be converted into angle, that is called as what? See, the formula is same as it is a percentage formula, individual value divided by total value into 360 degree, because the total circumference of circle is the total circumference of circle is 360 degree. That is the reason into 360 degree, right? So this is what angle of an individual value. This is the formula. So the individual value can be converted into angles. So that is the procedure. First, we have to convert the individual value into angles. Then only we have to construct the pie chart. Okay. So now we will discuss one example. Right. The following data relates. The following data relates. The following data relates to the expenditure of a family per month. Try a pie chart. So the given data is, it is given items. Items is here, it is given, and clothing. The next one is rent. The next one is education. And next one is others. Here expense in rupees. values is 1000, 1500. Next one is 900. Next one is 500. And next one is 600. So this is the given data. So this is the given data. So now we have to convert the individual values into angles. So how to convert? By using the formula. So we'll discuss one example. See the formula. What is the formula? I will show you your solution. Convert into angles. Convert into angles. One example I have copied here. The first one, the formula is what? Individual component is equal to individual component. Individual component is equal to total value. So individual value. Individual value divided by total value. Total value into 360 degree. Now, the first individual value, what is that? 3000. 3000 divided by the total. What is the total? The total value is 6500. I'm writing here 6500 is the total. The total value is 6500. So 3000 divided by 6500 into 360. So we get 166.15. So approximately it will take 166. Understood what I am doing? So the individual component, the formula is individual value divided by total value into 360. 360. So first we take first one 3000. First individual value 3000. The total value is 6500 into 360. That is the total circumference of circle. Okay. Now after simplification, we get 166.15. Approximately we can take 166. Understood? Now we go for next one. 1500 divided by 6500 into 360. So approximately we get 83. Next one 50. So next we get 28. So next one is 33. And finally the total should be 360 only. So after the converting the angles, the sum of these angles should be equal to 360. Right? So should be 360. Now, based on these values, we have to complete the pie chart or pie diagram. Now, we can take radius according to the paper size. Okay, so radius. So you can take radius according to your paper size. Right. Okay, so now this is radius. Now what is the first value? 166. So approximately this is 90 degree. So your 90 degree, right? 90 degree this one is. So by using protractor, here 90 degree. So you are approximately 166. 166 degree, right? So this one is 166 degree. 166, 83, 50, 28, 30. right? So 166. So I'm doing approximately 166. Next is 83. 83. Next one is 50. 50. I think just say it's a good number. 80. This one is 50. This one is 28. Right. This is what? 166. This one is 83. This one is 50. This one is 28. This one is 33. And shading also compulsory. And similarly, title the pie diagram. The pie diagram represents what? The pie diagram represents expenditure of family. Expenditure of family. Right. So similarly, we have index. Index, the first one, 166 what? Food. 166 is the food, and second is what? Clothing. This one is clothing, and next one, the plus mark is what? Rent. And next one is the circle is education, and star mark is what is that? Others. Right. So this is the solution or construction of pie chart. Understood all of you? I think all of you understood. I will explain once again. So this is the given data, this table, and this is the given information. You should convert into angles. 3000. What is the formula? The individual component, individual value divided by total value into 360. This is the formula. By using this formula, you have to convert into angles. 3000 individual value, the total value is 6500 into 360. You get 166.15, approximately 166. Similarly, you have to complete the remaining values. After calculation, after simplification, you will get these values. These values total should be 360. Otherwise, our calculation will be wrong. Okay, right. So based on these values, you construct pie chart. So first one is 166 degree. According to your paper size, we can construct pie chart. So radius. So first one is what? 166. By using protractor, you should complete the pie chart. Title or index is very important. Okay. Okay, thank you, all of you.